Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial that we need to refilm an old tutorial that I did a while back, color changing triumph, just because the sound had issues with the video. Probably had to do with me updating my phone right before I shot the tutorial. So you have your regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled. Have a spectator just tell you when to stop as you dribble down the cards just like that. Let's say they stop me right there. Take a look at this card. Remember it, okay, the 8 of hearts. I'll take that card, lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck. I have no idea where it is. Give the deck a nice shuffle, completely losing the location of the card. Now, it doesn't matter that I saw the card because we're gonna mix the cards up and the cards will actually give us an indicator of where the selected card was, okay? So I'm gonna mix up the cards by placing cards face up, face down, all randomly throughout the deck by giving it a sloppy shuffle just like this. And hopefully, let's see, we have cards face to back and then we'll have cards back to face and then hopefully some that are even back to back, just like that. Now, if I just wave my hand, do a magic tap, hopefully the cards will tell us where your card is. And if I spread through the cards just like that, oh wait, there's one card that happens to be a different colored back than all the rest of the cards. What was the card you picked? Was it the 8 of hearts? Now you're not done there. You wonder why the cards would actually tell you that the selected card was a different color by just indicating, but if you just give the cards a rub just like this, you can actually turn the 8 of hearts back into a red card. And that's color changing triumph. Now, before I show you how to do it, please as always like and subscribe to this channel and this video. I really appreciate it. I'd also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for supporting this channel through the YouTube channel membership. And if you're interested in supporting this channel that way, you can do that all in the links given in YouTube below. Also, visit thebestmagicshop.com for some awesome magic tricks and gimmicks. You can also sign up for a newsletter to be notified of new tricks, discounts, and more. All at thebestmagicshop.com. Okay, now for the tutorial. Color changing triumph, you're just using a regular deck of cards and then one gaff card. And this is a red backed, blue backed, double backed gaff card. These are common in Magic and you can get these at thebestmagicshop.com in either the 5 gaff card set or the 7 gaff card sets. These are only a couple bucks, cheap shipping, and it gets you a bunch of gaff cards that you need. Pretty much almost every gaff card that you'll need doing card tricks, okay? So you want to start the trick off with your regular deck and then this with the blue back on the bottom facing down. So you have all your cards face down and then you have the blue back on the bottom. That's how you start the trick. You can shuffle the cards just as long as you keep shuffling that bottom card first, it'll remain on the bottom, okay? So you shuffle the cards as much as you like. Now to get the spectator to pick a card, dribble the cards down like this. And as you're dribbling, when you stop, square these cards up and you're gonna have to flick down with your thumb 2 cards. So that's 1, that's 2. And then when you do this, be careful, and this takes a little bit of practice. Just use gravity and then this pack of cards in your right hand just to kind of catch the card, show it that it's the king of clubs, and then just push them back on. So that's 2 cards. So when you say this is the king of clubs, this is just whatever card was on top of that. You take this card, place it in the middle of this packet, and then place all these cards in the middle of this bottom packet, square them up, and now their selected card is on top of the deck. You can shuffle again, maintaining that bottom card, and then maintain their card on the top. You shuffle, make it show that you're losing their card somewhere in the middle of the deck. Now, you're going to do the slop shuffle, the flip-flop shuffle, the drunken shuffle, whatever you want to call it, is when you just this is my left hand, this is my right hand. You push over cards with your left hand. With your right hand, turn them face up, and then push over cards again with your left hand, just a couple cards. Turn them back over. You're just doing flip-flop as you put cards on the bottom of these, and then all that's doing is just putting half the cards face down and half the cards face up, but in the spectator's mind it looks like you're completely mixing up the order of the cards. Now when you come to the last card, the bottom card, this is that gaff card, that double back card, flip these over, place that card on top. Now when you square them up, it looks like a regular deck of cards, but what you really have is half the cards are face up, half the cards are face down, and I believe their selected card is right here, okay? So you can riffle through the top half of the cards, show that you have face to back cards, riffle down through the bottom half of the cards, you show that you have face to back cards, and then right at the middle or somewhere thereabouts, the cards will just regularly separate because that's where the back-to-back cards are. So cut right at the back-to-back cards, and then you're just turning this pack over, placing them back on top, and then that will get all the cards back in order. When you do your magic tap, when you spread them out, now that will get the cards back in order. But in addition, it's now placing that gaff card, that red back gaff card, on top of their selected card. So you spread these cards out, show that you have now a different colored card in a red deck, square these, when you spread them out, get a break underneath that second card, which is their selected card, square them up, and then do a double lift. When you're turning these two cards over as one, reveal that that's their selected card. By doing that double lift, now you've turned this gaff card face down, so it's red back face up again, and it looks just like the card right next to the King of Clubs. They think that's a blue card. Take this packet, put them on top of those cards, spread them out, and now you can rub this card against the backs and then reveal that it's now back to a red card. And then now you're left with this gimmick card on top of the deck, which you can either drop in your lap or do another trick that involves a red and blue back card. Okay, that's color changing Triumph. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I do answer questions. And until next time.